Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This might be a short video because we're 10 minutes late to do the dyno run with the GTR, so we'll soon find out. Can we go? Are we late?
Yeah, no, we're good, it's cool. So
go,
I said that we want to film a quick intro. Oh, well, you've
I've already filmed a quick intro.
Have you?
Right, so this is my video supposedly today. Got the GTR here at TC Performance Centre, and it's one of the only dyno rolling roads that'll actually take the GTR because something to do with the suspension setup, the four-wheel drive, all that. It was 570 PS as standard, which equates to about 563 on the horsepower, not wheel horsepower, the other horsepower, whatever that is. But there's been a wide pipe fitted to it, so I'm not going to say it's going to be 600 or 580, we'll just see, but I'm hoping for over 600 horsepower.
Yeah, but why though? Are you going to tell the guys why? Who did you speak to?
So Andy at AC Speedtech said, these cars, as standard, make not far off 600 horsepower anyway.
Even though they should be 570 PS,
yeah,
they usually own a lot more than that.
Yeah, well that's what he said.
Yeah?
Well, the reason we've not taken it to AC is they've got a hub dyno, and he said it's dead expensive just to do a rolling road.
It takes ages.
Yeah, it takes ages. All the ones he's done of these are going to be just over 600 to 605 horsepower. So
that's what you're hoping for?
I'm hoping it starts with a 6.
Are you going to be disappointed if it's not?
Yeah, I'm genuinely going to be disappointed. If this is 5.9 or 5.8, I'll be really pissed off, to be honest.
Well, if it's over 600 horsepower, I'll buy you a breakfast. If it's less than, you can buy me one.
Now.
How about that?
We'll go now.
Listen, I'm trying to give you every opportunity I can to buy you a breakfast because I always win. So there you go. There's the breakfast challenge.
So 600 or above, breakfast on you tomorrow.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Think he's done that before?
Yeah. Is it a little bit nerve-wracking knowing that he's driving your 80 grand car up a ramp?
Well, I just trust that he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, he does know what he's doing, yeah.
But he's definitely got all the gear here, so...
Yeah, he has. This dyno looks like brand new, practically.
So is there anything special you have to do on these when you're strapping them down compared to other cars?
Yeah, make sure they're level as possible on rollers.
So there's nothing because it's a GTR, it's not like a special...
No, nothing special at all. No, with the dyno it's been linked, mechanically linked, so all four wheels will rotate at the same time, regardless where the power is going.
Right. And is that why like a regular dyno can't do a GTR?
Yeah.
So how much is this dyno? If you don't mind me asking, how much it is?
Shy of 80,000.
80,000?
80, yeah.
Holy shit.
You think that's it?
Yeah. So your car is the same price as this dyno?
What would you like to have? The car or the dyno? You're going to go with dyno?
Yeah.
Whereas, what would you go for?
Probably a different car.
Yeah, but if you had only a choice, dyno or the car?
Oh, I'd have the car, obviously, yeah. I would, yeah.
Yeah,
but then I don't need the dyno to do, this chap obviously does.
Yeah, but having a dyno would be pretty good, wouldn't it? You know, not everyone got a dyno.
Yeah, true. Where would you put it?
In your
bottom of your drive?
Bottom of the drive, yeah. Is it waterproof?
It is waterproof.
It is waterproof, right?
To an extent. If it's flooded, it wouldn't get damaged.
Yeah, but it could technically go on the bottom of your driveway.
Cars on it, that's no problem.
Yeah, well, that's alright. Yeah. Driveway it is then.
So we'll knock the other cars on the head.
Yeah.
And we'll get a dyno instead. Just won't have anything to put on it. We've sold everything to buy it. Are you excited?
I'm excited for the breakfast you're going to get me tomorrow. This is going to do 605 horsepower.
I reckon 599 on your drive.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to be loud.
I think we're better off staying out here, aren't we?
Yeah.
Like way back.
Like way back, yeah. Come on, lad. Yeah.
It's just warming it up. you had one of these at the bottom of your driveway,
you'd be on it all the time, wouldn't you?
Your neighbours would be well upset.
Yeah, they would, yeah.
That makes a right racket, that.
Yeah, it does.
BMW, we haven't got one. How about a 140i?
I would not get in a 140i with you.
Yeah,
because it'd be, the back end would be out flying all over the place with you driving that. What do you reckon? 250, 260 horsepower?
I think it's definitely made more than your RSV.
Not betting your breakfast on that. Some spectators. Run number 2. Does he not want to upset you? Is that why he's going to give you arm's length?
He said he's printing them off. Maybe he doesn't want to tell me how bad it is, or how good it is. It might be that good.
Really?
Just keep it on the down low.
I reckon he'd have been jumping for joy to tell you how much horsepower it's got, but it doesn't seem...
It's got a bit of a poker face on it, so I'm not too sure if that means 590 or 605. We'll soon find out.
I'd say 599, and then you owe me a breakfast. Poppy's breakfast as well, the large one.
It needs to be over 600. I can't keep losing these breakfasts.
Well, we've got 2 more subscribers anyway. So that's 7 we're on now. 7 subscribers we're on now.
Nice.
Yeah. Come on then, here we go.
576 all the way through.
576 horsepower.
Is that real, that? Yeah. Is that, can you put an extra 25 on it?
Oh, he owes me a brekkie again.
Oh, dear. See if I can get 600 out of this somewhere.
Well, you could if you turned it round, because it'd be 600 and...
So we got 709 newton meters of torque. Is that breakfast, maybe?
No.
Have you got a symphony boat for me?
No.
576. Sure you had your foot down on that? Did you have your foot all the way down? Yeah, definitely.
He's gutted. Look, he's
was it in sport mode?
It was, yeah.
Did you take all the stuff out of the boot? There must be another way we can get 25 horsepower out of that, surely.
I mean, it's still fast, but then I'll have scrambled egg, white toast, and tea, please, Barb. Thanks very much.
Right, so even though you were taking the piss out of me, I'm going to be serious now. 576 horsepower, which is 13 horsepower more than stock car. So that's due to the Y pipe being on. It's made about 75 newton meters of torque extra, which is quite a big gain just for the pipe being on it. But the main thing is it's not even made 600 horsepower, so we're going to take it into Andy at AC Speedtech, get that work done on it, and then that should run it up to about 630. But Andy's going to do the dyno when we've done the work. But at least we've got a benchmark now of what the car's running.
So yeah, you're going to run out of power there now. So start increasing it, see where it's holding the gear.
Yeah.
About 627.
Oh, so it ran 627 horsepower?
No, that's because it held into the gear at the end of the run.
Okay.
So what you do then is you cut that bit off because the car's not got that much power at the end.
Okay.
So there you go, it brings it down then to its true figures.
Right. But in theory,
no.
It runs 627.
No.
So the graph said 627 horsepower.
Listen, put that camera down, will you?
So
clutching it strong.
I mean, the computer doesn't lie, does it really?
It does. Because that's demonstrating what the car's doing. So if you leave it in gear, and it'll hold back more, and then it'll fake the graph sort of thing.
Well, he did say 627 though, right? He did say it though. Just say he did say it. He did say 627. I've seen it on the thing.
Listen, you cheated the last time he was on a dyno. You can't cheat again.
No, look, the thing said 627.
I don't give a shit what it said. No.
So he's called it a draw then?
No.
I'll let you off.
No way.
So you know it did.
You'll let me off.
Yeah, let you off.
No chance. No, you cheated last time when you did a 5th gear pull in your RSQ3 and you beat me RS3. This time it's not happening. No. He's just said, the chap's just said, that's not how it works. Because at the end of the gear it doesn't count. 627 doesn't count. This doesn't know what it's talking about at the end of the gear. Simple as that.
But it did say 627 though.
See you later.
Bye. Bad loser. See you then. How are you getting on? So Danny's just explained the actual real reason for that, again, because I'm a bit thick. And I do agree with Danny, sort of like, it could run up to like whatever, but it still said 627. So I'm taking it, I'm taking it. So that's it, end the video. Disappointing. Only 576 horsepower.
I mean, it's a bit of a hollow victory for me because I'm getting a free breakfast, but I am actually a bit gutted that it is only 576 horsepower.
But it did run 627 on the thing, so I might take that.
No, you better not
We'll
edit
just call
that
it-
out.
we'll just
What he
call it
said
quits.
before.
Call it quits.
No, you can't edit. So I'm putting this in because this is in the ending. You can't edit what he said before.
Well, it said 627.
Yeah, he did, but what he said was that isn't a true reading because it was in neutral and it was on the
whatever.
gears or whatever.
The thing is, the
So
machine-
it's not 627, ignore him, he's full of shit.
The computer said 627, so anyway, whatever, I don't care, I'll just give it you because I'm not a bad loser. Well done, mate. Well done.
He's so full of shit. Anyway, DC remapping.
Yeah. Give him a...
Performance Centre. Give Danny a shout. Absolute legend. So it does right out.
I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe, like, all that stuff, and yeah, see you later.
Nice one. Ta-da.